Got my walk around on my 2001 Volkswagen GTI. It's got all the goodies. Silver with them lime greens. Hell yeah, it's a shit. If you hear it idling right now. Heard my Jetta. The GTI. Check that on them Honda losers. Got some bird shit over here. That's like 30 horsepower. Nah, but for real, a Volkswagen. Got some xenon headlights. Don't know if you saw it. Got the front mount, Gretty style. Got APR stage 2 ECU. I got an eBay big turbo kit on here. It's the shit. We got about 21 PSI. And I know you can hear it because it's crazy. The exhaust. Got that shit welded yesterday. Got that shit done. Got straight pipes. 3-inch steel piping all the way around with test pipe. Pretty much you just go from the cat back, take that shit off, cut the cat off, cut your dip off, cut everything off, and just weld exactly like the way it was, and you've got straight pipe. Right now I'm going to do a cruise for everyone on YouTube because I saw no straight pipes on my 1.8T. So, this is it. That was first and second pull. I was doing about 55 or 60.